Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2021 Ford Transit XLT with a 110A package. The exterior color is frozen white metallic, and under the hood we have a 2-liter engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have halogen high and low beam headlights as well as daytime running lights. We also have a pair of fog lamps, front-facing park sensors, and an engine block heater connection. Over at the side, we have our 16-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Continental tires. We also have black mirror caps and door handles. At the rear, we have our sliding door, and this Ford Transit also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have a trailer tow package as well as reverse sensors paired to a backup camera. We have our dual swing doors with wiper blades attached. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors with blind spot information system. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with our information trackpad and cruise control settings located to the left. Over at the right, we have our entertainment and media trackpad and hands-free controls. Up above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. And as we look down at our interior, we have our beautiful black seating that comes with fully adjustable seats. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, as well as other apps. Our driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our sync controls, as well as we have our climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. We have a console gear shift with select shift option for the driver, dual cup holders, and a center console that provides tons of storage. At the rear, we have tons of cargo space, as well as ambient lighting and tie-down points. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Ford Transit, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.